Hello everyone. Hi, this is Sakina this side. So today the reading is a little different. Okay, so I'm going to do a reading from the Angel Answer deck, which is from Radley Valentine. So this is going to be just uh, a reading from the angels and the universe, that how you are, basically it's just a guidance message on your twin flame journey. All right, so this is a complete message from your angels, and if you are seeking upon some answers, so let's see if you can, and you can get your answers, right? And it is like, if you have stumbled upon on this reading, so this reading is for you. Yeah, so let's see what are your angels, or what is the universe supporting you. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is the romance card. Okay, so if you see, there are these two angels who is really supporting, and trust me, if you are seeking an answer, like what are you, कि आप कहाँ पे हो अभी, मे बी आप लोग को ऐसा लगता होगा कि दिस इज अ एनर्जी अपडेट, even if it is for divine masculine or divine feminine, doesn't matter. So अगर आप लोग ये सोचते होगे कि मेरा रिलेशनशिप आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है, मेरा कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, नथिंग इज हैपनिंग, ये वो वगैरह वगैरह, फलाना ढिमका, राइट? So this is a message for you, okay? Your angels here. Look at this. Both angels are, you all are one. Twin flames are always one. So your angels are really, really working on this, and they are helping you to happen this. वो लोग हेल्प कर रहे हैं आपको. यूनिवर्स, द एंटायर यूनिवर्स आपको हेल्प करना चाह रही है. इट्स जस्ट यू दैट हु हैज़ टू टेक दिस forward step in the romance. And romance is not only romance with your twin flame, but romance is all about how you love yourself, how you take care of yourself, right? And this is where uh, that is how your twin flame would attract. वही उसी वजह से आपका ट्विन फ्लेम आपसे अट्रैक्ट होगा. एंड अगर बिलीव मी, अगर आप ये रीडिंग देख रहे हो और अगर सच में आपको ये डाउट कहीं पे होगा कि ये मेरा ट्विन फ्लेम है कि नहीं है, वो मुझसे प्यार करता है कि नहीं है, सो दिस इज़ योर राइट अवे कन्फर्मेशन. पहला ही कार्ड ये है कि यस, देर इज़ अ रोमांस, देर इज़ अ लव विच इज़ बिल्डिंग. Already there is angels working, the universe working, God working with you. God is working within, if you hear, you see this energy. ये God energy है जो अब दोनों को एक साथ ला रही है, एक दोनों को मिला रही है. You all are already one, but then in the spiritual, sorry, in the physical realm, yes, your God is helping you. Okay, they are, and it's not like only one angel. See, look at here, it's like shining. Yeah, look at here, look at this is a God's reflection which is holding upon, and he is watching you. He is completely watching you. And you're, oh, this is the center, it should be the center of, right? Okay, romance. Let's see what's the next card. So the next card is unlikely. Okay, maybe you still may be having that doubt that you know nothing is working, but this is your confirmation that nothing is कुछ भी ऐसे ही नहीं होता है, राइट? आपकी लाइफ में अगर जो भी कुछ हो रहा है अभी, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है, इट्स नॉट लाइक के एवी हो गया है ना. तो दिस इज एवरीथिंग डिवाइनली गाइडेड. लुक एट दिस ब्यूटिफुल पिक्चर. दिस इज कमिंग ऑफ द अनलाइकली, मीन्स ऐसा तो नहीं है कि ये ऐसे ही हो गया है बस आपकी लाइफ में, आपका ही ट्विन फ्लेम आपके लाइफ में ऐसे ही आ गया है. नो, इट्स नॉट दैट. इट इज़ completely a divine plan, completely your calling. आपने ही अपने ट्विन फ्लेम को कॉल किया है, and that's why he is here. And there is no denying that there is no help, there is no support. You are supported. आप बिल्कुल ही बिल्कुल supported हैं. And look at this color, purple. It's such a beautiful color, है ना? So nothing आपकी जर्नी में कुछ भी अनलाइकली नहीं है. It's just nothing you have to get scared and आपकी लाइफ में ऐसे ही कुछ नहीं आ गया, आपका ट्विन फ्लेम ऐसे ही आपके लाइफ में नहीं है. So this is one, the beautiful energy of romance. Then you have this unlikely, and then we have what next? Wait. Okay, this could be a little contradictory, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि wait करना है. You don't have to wait for anything, right? So there is nothing called waiting. You don't have to wait, and if you wait, there is always an energy of waiting. Okay, तो अगर आप वेट करते रहोगे तो हमेशा ज़िंदगी भर करते रहोगे. वेट फॉर वॉट? वेट फॉर लविंग योर सेल्फ. नो, यू डोंट हैव टू. आपको बिल्कुल ही अपने वेट नहीं करना है. इट्स जस्ट लुक एट द एंटायर कार्ड. दे आर ऑल योर पर्पल कार्ड्स. पर्पल इज़ अ कार्ड ऑफ इंट्यूशन. ओके, एंड यू योर सेल्फ नो इट कि ये जर्नी अभी आप कहाँ पे हो, किस लेवल पे हो. इट डजेंट मैटर आप कौन से भी लेवल पे हो. इट्स नॉट, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू बिकॉज कि आप कोई इस लेवल पे ही होना चाहिए. नो, इट इज़ जस्ट कि आप कहीं पे भी हो अभी आपकी जर्नी में. दिस इज़ योर चांस टू move ahead and build that romance in your life. You don't have to wait. Maybe you must be in this waiting energy, but now you don't have to, right? You just don't have to wait for anything. प्यार के लिए कभी भी वेट नहीं करते. क्यों नहीं वेट करते? God and Allah doesn't wait for giving you that love, right? He never waited and okay कि चलो आज इतना सा दे देता हूँ उनको, है ना. वो तो कभी भी नहीं हुआ है. तो he has given you almost everything, every love, all the love he has. So why you are keeping yourself into the wait, right? So we don't also have to, even on your twin flame journey, if you are waiting on something, confirmation कि भाई वो मुझे commitment नहीं दे रहा, ये मुझे नहीं दे रहा है, तो आप हमेशा वेट करते रहोगे. यू आर वन, राइट. मैं हमेशा ही बोलती हूँ मेरे वीडियो में कि आप एक हो. आप और आपका ट्विन फ्लेम एक है और बिल्कुल ही एक है. दैट मीन्स देर इज़ नो सेपरेशन बिटवीन यू टू गाइज, राइट. देर इज़ नो सेपरेशन इन अ ट्विन फ्लेम जर्नी और इन अ ट्विन फ्लेम कपल. दे आर ऑलरेडी वन एट द कोर. तो अगर आप वेट कर रहे हो तो आपका ट्विन फ्लेम भी वेट ही कर रहा है. तो इट्स बेटर कि यू मूव अहेड ऑफ दिस. और अगर आपको नहीं पता है कि कैसे मूव अहेड होना है, कैसे मूव होना है, तो you can reach out to me. You can reach out to the coaches in the open forum, anybody, and see what are you waiting for the perfect timing. No, there is no perfect timing. This is a myth. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि यार मेरे झोली में आ जाएगा मेरा ट्विन फ्लेम. नो, नो. You have to really work on this. Okay, it's a divine order. It's not a perfect timing, it's a perfect order. Like you have to literally work on this. Work on what? You have to work on yourself. You have to build that self love within you. That's when, that's the romance which is building you, and you must be doing it right now. That's why this is happening. The cards are so beautiful today, that I feel like okay, you know your efforts are being already taken care. Your efforts are already आपके efforts already देखे जा रहे हैं by the universe, by God, by the angels. One more card. Let me pick. So you don't have to wait for the perfect timing. Okay, the perfect timing doesn't come. It is the divine order. Look at this. The situation will improve definitely with this. What I can feel that your or anybody who's watching this twin flame, whenever you are watching this, it's just a timeless reading. Whenever you are watching this, this is a beautiful message for you कि यार yes, आपकी situation improve हो रही है. Your angels are with you and that's a confirmation. अब इससे ज़्यादा मैं क्या ही बोलूँ एक वीडियो में, है ना. ठीक है. I hope you liked the reading. It's a beautiful reading today and I loved it. I am in literal love because it's all pink and purple. Okay, something to do with this pink and purple, but then yeah, it is beautiful. So yes, once again, if you have any questions, you can write into me. My Instagram handle, you can put a message there, or you can reach out to me via the comments or anything. All right, so see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.